There are people getting paid 50 lakh rupees a year to break AI models. Legally. They are called AI red teamers. And the underground community around jailbreaking, finding ways to make AI safety guardrails disappear, is producing the most valuable cybersecurity skill on the planet right now. This is part 3 of the AI threat files. And this one is going to surprise you. Forget what you think jailbreaking means. It is not teenagers asking ChatGPT to say bad words. Offensive jailbreaking is systematic adversarial manipulation, finding the exact sequence of prompts, context, and framing that causes a model to ignore its own training. The scale runs from completely amateur script kiddie tricks all the way up to sophisticated crescendo attacks and token smuggling that achieve 67% bypass rates against production models. Let me show you what actual professional red teaming of an AI model looks like. Watch this Garak session. This is a real open source LLM vulnerability scanner. Notice the crescendo attack, 100 seemingly innocent questions that incrementally push the model toward producing dangerous output. Each individual question is completely reasonable. The sequence as a whole defeats the model's safety training. This achieves a 67% bypass rate against production frontier models. Let me give you the research numbers. 67%, the crescendo bypass rate against production models documented in published research. 100%, the number of frontier AI models that have been successfully jailbroken by researchers in 2024. 50 lakhs plus, the salary ceiling for AI red teamers in India. 0. The number of formal Indian programs teaching this role. Every frontier model, GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, Llama, has been broken. The safety guarantees are not absolute. And the race between model makers and researchers is the most important arms race in AI right now. The 4 jailbreak methods that actually work in 2025. The crescendo 100-step attack, 100 incrementally escalating questions, each harmless alone, collectively walking the model to dangerous output with 67% success. Many short prompting, filling the context window with examples of desired behavior so the model learns in context and mimics it. Token smuggling, encoding malicious instructions in base 64 or Unicode variants to bypass keyword-based content filters. And prompt injection via RAG, injecting instructions into documents that AI systems will retrieve and read, making them follow attacker commands thinking they are user instructions. Here is how defenders actually protect AI systems. Red team before deployment. Every AI system needs adversarial testing before production. PyRIT, Garak, and Prompt Bench are the industry standard tools. Input sanitization and prompt firewalls. Scan all user inputs for injection patterns. Output validation. Never trust AI output without running it through a secondary classifier. And minimal permissions. An AI agent that can only read cannot exfiltrate. Scope creep in AI tools is where breaches happen. This is the most underserved cybersecurity role in India right now. AI red teamer. The person who attacks AI systems before attackers do. You need prompt engineering knowledge, basic machine learning, software security, and adversarial ML. No university in India currently teaches this combination. which means self-taught practitioners right now are getting hired at 50 lakh plus before they even complete their first certification. Start with Garak and PyRIT this week. Both are free, both are on GitHub. Comment jailbreak below if you are thinking, this is the career for me. The intersection of AI and security is where the money is in 2026, and the people arriving early are winning. Hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. Part 4 is the one I have been building to: smart cities, power grids, hospitals, and how AI attacks on critical infrastructure are already being planned by nation-state actors. That video is going to be the most important one in this series.